tudo nove, tudo nove, tudo nove, senta com tudo nove, tudo nove, tudo nove, senta com tudo nove, tudo nove, tudo nove, senta com tudo nove, tudo nove, tudo novinha agora. Monta, 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 monta.
É o DJ Thiago Scott.
Balança, balança, lança, balança, balança, lança, balança, balança. Só não acaba com lança, balança, balança. Só não acaba com lança, lança, balança, lança, balança, balança, lança, balança.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But if you're part of the family, thank you once again for clicking on my video. Thank you very much for those who have recently subscribed to my channel. I'm grateful. Thank you very much for joining the family. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and I've just finished doing my lashes and my brows. I just did like everything off camera because I didn't really want to like film it again, because I already posted previously on my channel how I do my brows and my lashes. So today I want to do my nails, so I have this appointment coming up in 2 days, and I want my nails to be done. I want my nails to like look busy, so I'm gonna be doing my nails now, and I'm gonna be doing it myself. I'm not going to the shop to do it. I have my all my nails equipment in the room, so I'm gonna get it out now, and I'm gonna be doing my nails myself. They are press-on nails, so after I do it, I'll let it dry, and then when I'm ready to wear them, I'll just stick them on my nails. So I'm gonna be doing them now in a bit, and I'll be showing you guys how I get them done. Listen, these nails are gonna be slayed. So yeah, let me just go ahead and start. On here, I'm just showing you guys all the equipment I'm gonna be needing to do my nails. So I've got my nail box case with the different sizes of nails in there, and I've got my rhinestones case as well, the diamond stones case, and I've also got my nail filer with the tweezers. I've got the nails holder. I've got 2 polish gel and the rhinestones gel glue, and behind that is the electric nail dryer. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start by trying all the nails on my finger. I need to try the nails on my finger to see if it's the right size for me. So I'm just gonna try everything one after the other, and I'll be placing them on the nail holder. Right, so now I've got everything ready. So I'm gonna take the nail file, and I'm gonna file all the nails. The reason why I do this is so the nail polish will stick properly on the nails, because if you don't file it, when you put the nail polish on the nail just like that, it's not gonna stay on it, so it's gonna be slimy and it won't dry properly. So you have to make sure you file the nail so you can have the nail, the surface of the nail dry and ready, so the nail polish can stick properly on it. I've finished filing all the nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe all the nails down. So I want to get rid of all the residue that came out from filing the nails, so I'm just gonna wipe everything out so the nails can look clean and ready to put the nail polish on. Here I have my Rimmel London gel nail polish. I have it in baby pink, so I'm going to go ahead and paint all the nails. So the first one is dry, so I'm gonna do the second layer now. The nails are dry now, and I've done the second layer, so it's properly dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rhinestones gems, and I'm gonna pour them into the cover. Then I'm gonna place the rhinestones glue on the nails, and then go ahead and stick the gems on it. So I've put all the diamond studs on the nails, and I've put them to dry for about a minute each tray. So I'm going to go ahead now and grab my clear Rimmel London nail polish, and I'm going to apply that just on the top of the nails, so that gives the stud an extra hold and also makes the nails pop and look nice and beautiful.